is a constitution or meaning of constitution? In simple words, it provides the basic framework for governance. The constitution is the fundamental law of the land. The constitution is the basic law of the land. All other laws draw their authority from the constitution. Do you understand that? So constitution is derived from a Latin word, or two Latin words more specifically, constituere or constituo. It means to set up or to establish. Constitution is the basic or fundamental law of the land according to which the country is governed, or it provides the basic framework for governance. Framework means the basic skeleton for governance, and other laws add muscle to that. Do you understand that? Purpose of constitution is that it gives us information about the nature of the state. Nature of the state means ये जो country है वो कैसी होगी, whether it would be a monarchy or it would be an oligarchy, or whether it would be a dictatorship, or whether it would be a democracy or any other form of government. Do you understand that? The constitution is that it tells us about the form of government. Now, what do we mean by the form of government? The form of government means that whether the government in the nation state, whether it would be a unitary government or a federal government or a mixture of unitary and federation. The organs of the government are not only defined by the constitution, but the constitution also tells us about their powers and privileges, their role and functions, the limitations on them, and how the relationship between them will be regulated. And not only the relationship between them, but between them and people as well. What rights and privileges will be enjoyed by the people, not only individually but also collectively. Do you understand that? So what rights and what privileges would be enjoyed by the people, not only individually but also collective? Okay, you tell me, do you have the freedom of speech and expression? How do you know that you have that? Because there is an article called Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause A, which gives you that power, freedom of speech and expression. Do you have the freedom of religion? How do you know you have that? Because there is an article called Article 25.